welcome to my channel, Jennifer K Art, where I share my art processes, tips, and creative inspiration. In this video, I'm decorating the inside covers of a recent Halloween junk journal I made, and if you want to see my 6 steps to a junk journal video, I'll link it here. So I wanted to use this green scrapbook paper, but I didn't have enough left to cover both sides, so I pivoted to using random pics from a stack of old comic books. All these comic books came together from this local overstock store. It's called Ollie's, so I'm not sure if anyone is familiar with that place. Yeah, I'm getting some washi tape out. I'm gonna add some of that festive Halloween washi tape. And I added the tape with a little extra glue on that seam. So I didn't really pre-plan anything here. I just know I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna collage on these inside covers, and it turned into me ripping out some random comic book pages here and then kind of putting some stuff together. And what you're gonna see is I attached what I thought would make good backgrounds, and I can add Halloween stuff later, but I attached that with my acrylic medium as the glue. Just to make sure it stays, sturdy. Some folks may suggest adding a layer of gesso here on the cardboard first, which can be good to prime the surface for more paint and mixed media to be added. But I plan on adding just some stickers and collage, so I'm not too concerned about adding the gesso on this project. I used a lot of medium here, so I'm gonna let that fully dry before I start to work on the other side, the other inside cover. Okay, it is all dry here. And I'm gonna add some collage to the inside front cover after I add this tape on the back cover, because I know I'm gonna have to let that back cover dry like I did the first one. Alright, that's it. The inside of each cover has a background now, and I can continue adding other elements to the whole book as I go through old fussy cuts and new magazine harvesting. I want to thank you for watching, and be kind to yourselves out there.